Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the Zilch card online step by step. First, open the Zilch app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the app, use the search bar to find the retailer where you want to shop. You can scroll through the list or type the store name directly into the search field. When you find the retailer, tap on it to continue. Next, choose your payment plan. You will usually see two main options. The first option is Pay Now. This allows you to pay the full amount immediately and earn up to 5% back in rewards. The second option is Pay Later. This lets you spread the cost over 6 weeks or 3 months. Select the option that works best for your budget. After selecting your payment plan, tap on Enable Card. This step is very important. It activates your virtual card for the next 2 hours. During this time, you can use the card to complete your purchase online. When you are ready, go to the checkout page. Choose credit or debit card as your payment method. Now switch back to the Zilch app. Tap View next to your card details. You will see the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Copy these details and paste them into the checkout page on the retailer's website. Review your order and confirm the payment. Thanks for watching.